To know more about Shakespeare's use of Hamartia? Well, let's get into it. Hamartia is a character's fatal flaw, which then leads to their downfall. Shakespeare is a master at using Hamartia to develop his characters. In fact, if you have studied Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, The Merchant of Venice, or Othello, then a character or two in your play will have this particular characteristic. In Macbeth, his drive for ambition and power is his Hamartia. It's also his wife's, Lady Macbeth. It drives him to commit murder and leads to his eventual downfall as he chooses to die as a warrior on the battlefield, where he feels most comfortable, I suspect, as he was always an unnatural king. Romeo and Juliet's Hamartia is their impulsiveness. They immediately meet and they're in love. They use this to drive their relationship forward without really knowing each other. Juliet's explaining to Romeo what she expects, and he's more than happy to fulfill her needs. Therefore, their fates are intertwined just as much as Macbeth and Lady Macbeth's through their weaknesses. Othello's Hamartia is his jealousy. His insecurity and mistrust of his wife Desdemona and his friend Cassio lead to murder and suicide. In this tragic, Shakespeare explores how one's inability to control their jealousy ultimately leads to their downfall. In The Merchant of Venice, Antonio's Hamartia is his willingness to put his trust in others. He lends Bassanio money, therefore leading to his downfall. When the ships return, he's unable to repay Shylock's loan, therefore leading to the trial that threatens his life. Anything else you'd like me to look at in your Shakespearean text? Let me know.